Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this DOOGEE. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Then type in DevCheck. After that, install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!